Hey guys, so today I want to compare the Deity D4 Duo with the DJI Mic Mini as far as backpacking goes. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we have the two microphones. This is the DJI right here, and this is the Deity. So one's a shotgun mic. That's this one. Let me get the dead cats off of that. Alright, so there you go. As you can see, it has two sides to it. So this has this nice switch right here. So if I click it back, it'll record from the back shotgun mic as well as the front. Or if you're just recording things that are in front of you, you can click it over on this side. So it's pretty sensitive, and you'll see in the video it's good for about 20, 30 feet. So it does need to be in the proximity of your mouth one way or another. These do block the wind quite well, however. So I've had good luck with it. Very simple. You just put it on the camera, plug it in, and go. Don't have any batteries involved, so you don't have to worry about that. This one comes in this nice little case. Actually, I'm going to weigh them first here. How many grams these things are. So this complete kit comes in at 105 grams, and this guy with the dead cats about 87, 88. Ooh, yeah, it comes in about 87, so a little bit lighter. All right, this is a DJI Mic Mini. I always tilt my head down to look at it. It makes it kind of loud. We'll test it out and see what kind of distance we get. This is going to be a straight line out with nothing obstructing me. So I'm going to start off with my back to the camera. I'm kind of curious if that even picks up once I turn my back, because it seems to be a line of sight thing. So we'll see if that changes when I turn around. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Not sure how many yards this actually is. Let's say from the camera to the trees, maybe 50 yards, 150 feet, sorta. I love this tree. I've photographed this tree so many times to my front yard, so to speak, the park in front of my house. I feel very fortunate to have that. And just out of curiosity, my back's to the receiver. Now I'm pointing towards it. I'm behind the tree. Okay, so I'm out of sight. I bet this doesn't work at all. Now I'm curious if this is working. Is this working? Now is this working? Okay, I'm gonna go further. So my back's to it. Camera right now, so I have a feeling it's not picking up. Now we're a good 75 yards or more. Exactly. Should have brought my phone so I could have done a reverse recording. Yeah, the wind's pretty strong, so we'll see how the muff does. The barking dog. Haven't tried noise reduction yet. That's the next thing I need to try on this. I'm going to compare it to my little shotgun mic, Deity D4 Duo, which has been my standard microphone for so long. All right, I would assume I'm being heard very well right now. And I do have some disc golfers headed my way. All right, let's try it with the D4 Duo. All right, I just want to show how I carry this on my chest strap. It's pretty nice. That way I don't have to mess around with it. It's right about where it needs to be to catch my voice really well, so that's good. Where when I had this mic on, I'd have to have it fairly close while it's on the camera so you can hear me. This way I can turn around any way I want, do whatever I want, and you can hear it really well. But one of the disadvantages is it's very easy to bump into. So sometimes I'll pull something, cloth or something across it, and it makes a lot of noise, but getting better at that as time goes on. And it does better with the muff on it too. So I have that on there. It's blocks out some of that noise. And I can use noise cancellation too if I feel like it's a problem. Overall, it's done really well in the wind and that sort of thing. So advantages and disadvantages, like I said before. I mean, this is so simple. All you have is the one switch. You got to decide if you want to hear voice from behind as you're vlogging, or just from the front. And otherwise, this one's a no-brainer. You just plug it in. But this one's so much more convenient. I can get away from the tent and talk, and you can hear what I'm saying. So overall, I'll be using this one on the PCT, so that'll be a heck of a test. We'll see how it does. Okay, I thought I'd take a second here to ask if you're enjoying this, to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make me rich and famous. Thank you so much. All right, Deity D4 Duo. Let's see if that picks up at all. Go a little ways. This is normal voice. Not picking that up at all. Hey, D4 Duo. Can you hear me now? I know you can hear me now. Alright, we'll see how this whole thing turns out. Alright, it's quite the test I'm doing here. For one, I don't know if I'll be able to see myself when I get over there, but I want to see how this mic does. And right now I'm going to be going like through the trees and down valleys. Okay, I'm on the trail. My back is to the transmitter. And receiver, I should say. Now I'm heading down the trail. It's quite windy. So it's kind of a double test. We'll see what kind of range we have. This is through the trees now. So I'm that crazy guy having a conversation. All right, wind's really blowing pretty hard right now. We'll see how that does, if it's picking it up at all. I don't know if I'll be able to see the camera on this side. I'll go to another opening. So I'm in the trees right now, so I'm curious how it does while I'm in the trees. Going to the trees. Thick trees here. I'm gonna pop out in this opening up here, and then we'll, even if you can't see me, by this curly dead tree here. I doubt it's pointed this way at all. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, I can't see it. But hey, let's see how it did. Back through the trees again. Set about a 90-degree angle. Oh, it feels so good to be hiking. Excited to get on the PCT here in a few months. I did resign, so turned in my resignation. That was the first step. All right, I can see it. Hey, camera. All right, to wrap this up, about $50. Definitely a really good microphone. Picks up really well. Very simple to use, but limited. You got to be close to it for sure. The Mic Mini is my go-to for right now. We'll see how that goes. I do have to worry about charging it while I'm on trail, for example. It's about $90. Well, the one I bought with a single transmitter comes in at about $90. It has this one pouch and has everything that I showed you earlier. So I think it was worth actually paying a little extra money to be able to use this in more conditions where I can get away from the tent, turn my back away from the microphone, and that sort of thing. So we'll see. Time will tell. All right, so let me know in the comments down below what audio system you use when you're backpacking, the things you like or don't like about the systems that you use or the ones I just showed you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to make me rich and famous. And we'll see you on the next one. See ya. I am now trying my white muff because my black one was not cutting the wind as well as I would like it to. So I don't know if there's a difference between the two, but we'll find out.